Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in discussion 8, the annotated outline for the research paper, 50 points. All right, let's survey this assignment and see what we have here. We have the assignment overview, which you'll want to read very carefully, and we have a part 1 and a part 2. The part 1 will require you to post your annotated outline for this assignment. We have a link to the annotated outline here, the model we used in the previous discussion. The Lucy Marvell outline, it is right here to guide you. Please don't copy it, but use it as a model. And after this part 1, when you post the annotated outline, we have a part 2, evaluate 2 pairs annotated outlines in 125 words, a half page for a total of 250 words, 1 page. So you'll provide feedback to your peers about their annotated outline. Okay, I'm going to scroll up in this assignment, and I'm going to remind you that I'm here in inbox. If you have any questions or concerns, please go ahead and reach me. All right, let's get going on this assignment.